departing now is, I believe, what will be the late running 14:34 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. I just got back from having lunch, and this is the first train I'm going to film this afternoon. Well, I mean, after I've had lunch, I mean, like, yeah, I've just had lunch, and it was really nice, so that was cool. It is 9 minutes late. £391.12. Not in service. Lovely. About to pass by now very slowly. We'll have a Pendolino going from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. £391.04. Then I'm going to come over here because we may have a Naviro come through going from London Euston to Liverpool Lime Street. Yes, we do. We do indeed. £807.010 again. About to pass by now very slowly. Will be an 805 Evero running from Crewe to London Euston. Formed of 805-006. And if I come over here to platform 2, the down fast line, and platform 1, we might have, yes we do, we'll have a 350 coming in. 350-120, bringing its way in. Going to Crewe. About to depart now is the late running 1442 London North Western Railway service to Crewe. £350-124 brings up the rear. Next up for that one will be Nuneaton.
Additionally at Nuneaton today.
And coming in on platform 1 we have the late 1447 Avant... Wait, no, what? I'm trying to read off the board. Can you see what that says on the board? No. Is it the... Will it tell you right now?
The train now arriving at platform number 1 is the 1447.
Yeah, 1447.
Manchester Piccadilly. This train will call at Stoke-on-Trent, Macclesfield, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. Platform number 1 for Manchester Piccadilly. If you are awaiting services to Birmingham New Street, Please remain on platform number 1. This will be the second train to arrive. Train at platform 1 is for Manchester. If you want Birmingham or Coventry or stations towards either of those.
39124. And I'm going to head over to platform 4 as we have a Pendolino going very slowly, passing through on platform 4. So I'm just going to make my way over here as 390, whatever I said the number was, pulls in to go to Manchester. You've got a green. It will start to accelerate once it's seen the green signal. There it is. Don't know what services are doing. Haven't managed to check real-time trains for a bit. Thanks for the tone there, 39152, thanks very much.
Platform 5, 1456 of anti-West Coast service to London Euston. Thank you.
Well, departing now will be the late running 1447 of anti-West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly. Three 9124. Next stop for that one will be Stoke-on-Trent. About to arrive now. We have the 1456 of anti-West Coast service to London Euston, formed of a. Is that an 805? Yeah, 805. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, an 807. 807 007, bringing it in. About to depart now, 3 minutes late, will be the 1456 of anti-West Coast service to London Euston. Stand corrected, it's 2 minutes late. Seven 007. Next stop for that one will be Milton Keynes Central. And I might miss a few things because I actually really need the toilet, so yeah.
The train now approaching platform 5 does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 5.
Pendolino coming through and I'm back from the toilet. Three 9131.
Please stand well clear of the edge. Platform 2.
350-103. And 350-403. And head back over to platform 2. very much, driver of 66182.
The train on platform 5 is for Rugby in Northampton. Please board the service on platform 5 if you're travelling into
Thanks for the driver of 66182 for that tone, for that two-tone there. Yeah, you're not going to get numbers for that one, but thanks for the tone there. That was, I believe, to London Euston from Liverpool. Something over here? We've got some 350s. Apparently they're meant to pass through, but it looks like they're stopping.
We are sorry that the 1527 London North Western Railway service to London.
35128. And 35401, and passing through we have a Pendolino from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston.
Please stand well clear of the edge.
No idea for the numbers on that London bound Pendolino. Glasgow to London Pendo. 39157, Glasgow Central to London Euston Pendolino.
London Euston is delayed by approximately 17 minutes. This is due to a late running train being in front of this one. We apologise for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you.
Here we have 35108. Passing through apparently. It's got a red signal though, so it can't. About to pass by now, we have a Pendolino running from Birmingham International to London Euston.
The overhead electric wires. London North Western Railway apologises for the disruption to your journey today.
Train now stops platform 2 is the 1534 London Western Railway service, Birmingham Street. So from Coventry, Cabin Salad, Birchmount, and Sonada, there's National trains to platform 2, currently on Coventry, Cabin Salad, Birchmount, and Sonada, International, Birmingham Street.
Well, we have an Avero coming in on platform 1.
The train at platform 2 is the 1534 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street, calling at Coventry, Canley, Tile Hill, Berkswell, Hampton in Arden, Birmingham International, and
80508.
This train is called of Aikton. Platform 2 was the 1534 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street.
About to depart now is, I forgot the time. I don't know, but it's 15:31. So we'll just go with the 15:31 Avanti West Coast to Birmingham New Street. I know it won't be 15:31 service, but I'm just going to go with it, because why not? Why not?
We are sorry to announce that the 1542 London North Western Railway service to Crewe has been cancelled. This is due to the fault of this train.
805
Western Railway apologises for the...
We're just going to say that's the 1531 service, even though I know it's not. We're just going to say it is. Because why not? Anyway, there we go, and then I'll go over to platform 4. Coming in now, we have the late running 1527 London North Western Railway service to London Euston. Three 350-114 and 350-105. Lovely. Okay, now we have the 1534 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street. Three 350-108. And 350-122.
By approximately 13 minutes. We apologise for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you.
We're going to come back here because the late 1527 London North Western Railway service to London will be leaving any minute now. We're getting on the 350 later on. We're getting on one of these later on to take me to Nuneaton, so I can do a bit of filming there before my train to Leicester. Here we go. Off goes the late 1527 London North Western Railway service to London Euston. And you can just see a little Tesco train over there. Little? No. 350-105 on the rear. We have a freight service coming through. From the 66709, I believe. So do you know we have a 390 Pendolino? $390.042. Passing through now, we've got an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino running from London Euston to Edinburgh Waverley, or just Edinburgh. $390.129. About to pass by now, we'll have an 807 Avera going from London Euston to Liverpool Lime Street. 807 003.
Avanti West.
66428. Carlisle, Eden Mind. Got a Pendo. Three 9134. Tesco. Gonna leave the Tesco now.
Manchester Piccadilly. This train is formed of 11 coaches. Please note that this train will call additionally at Nuneaton today.
Good to know. We're going to come up here to where I normally record at Rugby. Well, when I say normally, today. Today. Well, coming in behind me, it's just come round the bend, it'll have to cross over. Will be the late running 15, oh god, what is it, 1547? 1546? I don't know. Oh, I can see, 1547 to Manchester Piccadilly. Just there. Just walking up. There's a Tesco. There's a Tesco. Going on its merry way. Here we go. Pendolino. 390 136. It's the City of Coventry, this one, 39136. About to depart now is the late running 1547 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly. It is 6 minutes late right now. Next up for this one will be Nuneaton today. The Manchester services never stop at Nuneaton, but today this one does stop at Nuneaton.
Platform number 5 will be the 1556 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston.
We'll have two trains come in. The first one will be the really delayed 1534 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. Actually, hang on. No, coming in now, the first one will be the on-time 1556 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston, calling at Milton Keynes Central, Watford Junction and London Euston.
Avanti West Coast services to London Euston. This train will call at Milton Keynes Central and London Euston. Platform number 4 for the 1534 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. This train has 11 coaches. First class
390 135. Well, according to the signal, it's going to let the late running service go out first. Oh, and it's starting to rain. Lovely. We may get some windscreen wiper action then. Yeah, so now coming in on platform 4 is the really late running 1534 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston, calling at the same stations as the 1556 Milton Keynes Central, Watford Junction and London Euston. Oh, lovely windscreen wiper action. Love to see the windscreen wipers. Love to see it, beautiful. There it is again. And again, lovely. 39117. Look at that, lovely. About to depart now will be the very late running 1534 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. It is 26 minutes late. The next stop for this one will be Milton Keynes Central. $391.17. Excuse me. About to pass by now will be a duo of 805 Averos going to London Euston. Coming through very slowly because it's got a double yellow. $805,002. And 805,004. And over there we have a 350 going to Coventry only. Well, I can see that the front is 350,258. I don't know what the rear is. About to pass by now, we have a freight service. Look like it's worked by GBRF.
Platform number 1, any passengers for the 1616 train will call London to Northampton.
Wiper action, yeah. 66305. Thank you very much from driver 66305 for that nice little two-tone there. We'll have something on the down fast line in a minute, but I think this Pendolino, well, you know, the 1556 that was on time but now it's late, is about to go. Oh, and it's still raining. Lovely. Yes indeed, this is about to go. There you go. It is 10 minutes late at this moment in time. It's gotten really windy all of a sudden. No, I'm joking, it's absolutely fine. Well, I don't know who that person is over there recording. I have no idea who. I came by myself today, so Yeah, I don't know who he is or whether he has a YouTube channel. 39135. I'll walk over here. It looks like we have an Avero coming through. Don't know what services are doing. It may be a double set. Cheers. $805,009 and $805,005. Thanks for the two-tone, by the way, from the driver. We have a Class 66 coming through. Oh, and we've got something over here. 390,005. $66,687. Annette. Oh, rainbow. I don't know whether you can see that, but there's a rainbow. Anyway, I should be focusing on the train, shouldn't I? Not the rainbow. Get it right, first class trains, honestly. Pendolino. $390,008. Coming in now, 5 minutes late, will be the 1612 Avanti West Coast service to Birmingham New Street, formed of an 807 Avero. I just saw a lovely spark there from the pantograph. I really need to film on... What? No, I really need to film on electric lines in the dark, because then you can really see the sparks. Obviously I'll have to plan that because, you know, dinner, etc. So, bringing this in, when I say bringing in, I mean like in general, is, I don't know, I'll get it on the way out. But lovely, jubbly, beautiful thing. Down fast line coming through, something on there. $391,208. About to depart now. 8 minutes late will be the late running 1612 Avanti West Coast service to Birmingham New Street, formed of an 807. $807,009, and I'm getting wet. Look at what's going. Apparently it's not going to Coventry then. It's really starting to rain now. I'm getting it in my face even though I'm under the shelter. We have a Pendolino coming through. On the down fast. $390,046, I'm pretty sure that was. I'm pretty sure that was $390,046. We've got a Pendolino and a freight coming through. I'm gonna try to put my hood up. There we go, got me hood up. Cheers, 66729. Pendolino. What? 2 freight coming through. What the?
Platform 5 will be the 1627 London North Western Railway service to London Euston.
The wind's gonna blow me here and me hood down.
And London Euston. This train is formed of 8 coaches.
Lovely jubbly. Yeah, I won't record that because that's too slow. 805 or 807, that's what you're gonna get. $807, that's what you're gonna get, not the numbers at all. Coming in now with the rain really lashing it down will be the late running 1627 London North Western Railway service to London Euston. Calling it Milton Keynes Central and London Euston. Lovely windscreen wiper action from 350 409. Look at how much is dripping off that 350. Coming in now, we have the really late running 1542 London North Western Railway service to Crewe. Yeah, well, here's a really late running 1542 London North Western Railway service to Crewe. It will be doing an express service all the way down to Crewe, not stopping from here to Crewe. And over on platform 4 we'll have a Pendolino. $391.31. Yeah, this will be running an express service all the way to Crewe due to it being just under an hour late. It is... Yep. Departing now 55 minutes late will be the late running 1542 service to Crewe. To 5121. Oh, hello. What? We're 35104 on the rear, and as she goes her way out, that will be my last train at Rugby today. Thank you all so much for watching. If you did like this video, then feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.